Okay, I went out to start my Prius 2005 and all the lights came on. Awesome. Problem. Turned out it was a $3 fix. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, we have an old fob for a 2005 Toyota Prius, and the battery is not working, so we're having to stick it into the dash. So we're going to show you how to change the battery. First of all, you want to take out the physical key. You're going to do the release right here on top, and then you're going to pull the key out. Second, you're going to hold in the latch. You'll see a little latch right there. You're going to hold it in, and you're going to push this top plate up. So make sure that's held in all the way and push that top plate up. Now, my wife's, we had a little trouble, so I took an ultra small little fine screwdriver and I scraped the sides because hers had a lot of gunk on it. Oh, don't look at me like that. So once you take it out, there's going to be 4 screws. I've already taken off 3 of them for the demonstration. Now you're going to want to apply some decent pressure. They're not very deep. Now after you do that, you can pop this little top off, and it's going to be a 2032. I just knocked mine out like that. It's all nice. This is actually the new one. Put it in plus side up. So the plus side is going to be up. You see the plus right there? And now we just reverse everything. So we're going to take the cover, we're going to put the cover back on. Look at you guys with my big fingers. Makes it kind of hard to get it in there.
There you go.
Little nice trick. These were not magnetized. As you can see, they now are. I got a super high powered magnet, and I literally placed it on the side, left it there for about an hour, and now they're magnetized.
So I can do more?
No. It was the screwdriver I was magnetizing,
Okay.
not the remote. Now, you see the grooves? You see how the grooves are? The grooves need to line up with the grooves on the back side. So see those grooves? Everything needs to line up. So when it goes back down, it's in nice and snug. You have to press in the catch and then release it. Then you're going to put your key back in. I had it backwards, didn't I? I'm going to push the key in to the slot, and this top release will click back in, and you are good to go. So I hope this worked for you the same way it worked for me. It was the $3 fix and my car started. It's worked fine ever since. So try this first. Thanks for watching. If it was a good tip, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.